We want to focus more on Wall Street's reaction to the turmoil over tariffs and the impact of that massive sell-off on your bottom line. NBC's business correspondent Brian Cheung is on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange this morning. Brian, good morning.
Good morning, Savannah. Good morning, Peter. Investors are bracing for what could be another tumultuous day on Wall Street after what was the worst day for stocks in 2025. The S&P 500 falling 2.7% and the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite falling by 4%. But zooming out, since inauguration, the picture looks even worse, with the S&P 500 having lost more than 6% and the NASDAQ losing over 10% over that period of time. But the concern for investors is now that the tariff uncertainty could spill over from the C-suite into Main Street as well. We heard from the likes of Delta saying just yesterday that they're concerned that consumers could pull back on travel spending, with the CEO Ed Bastian saying and citing a reduction in consumer and corporate confidence as a potential reason why there could be a pullback. I do want to point out that market implied futures opens right now does say that maybe there could be a bounce back here on Wall Street of about 0.3% on both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. We'll have to see when the market opens at around 9:30.
Okay, Brian, this is extremely stressful. A lot of people also looking at their 401ks, their retirement, saying, what is going on? What are people supposed to do? What can they really do to kind of brace for this? And how long and deep might this volatility last?
Yeah, well, look, when it comes to any sort of 401ks or retirement nest eggs, the idea is that those are supposed to be long-term investments that you should be holding on to anyway. So the best policy might just be to not look. A reminder that savings accounts are also offering relatively high yields right now, somewhere in the neighborhood of 4 to 4.5% for certain certificates of deposits or high-yield savings accounts. But broadly speaking, this type of uncertainty ratcheted up as the trade war and the tariff conversation from the White House also picked up. And until there's more certainty on that front, until there's also more certainty on things like the government shutdown and what the Federal Reserve is going to do in response with their interest rate policies, there is that R word floating around with recession that has some investors and just regular people with stock accounts a little bit concerned. But again, I want to point out the U.S. economy is not in a recession right now. We just got a jobs report on Monday saying that the unemployment rate is at 4.1%. And that, as a reminder, is near multi-decade lows.
All right, Brian, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.